One command, 2 minutes. You're coding your core features. I'm building the tool that makes you actually productive. I'm Gauthier. I spent 6 years running one of France's top Flutter agencies. Dozens of apps, same authentication flows, payment systems, notifications, onboarding, paywall templates, over and over. 30% of every app is identical. I built a tool to skip all of it. The stuff that doesn't make your app unique, but still needs to be perfect and work without a doubt. Appearance Kit generates everything. Pick Firebase or Supabase, the kits configure everything. Security, rules, authentication, every little detail automatically. No more reading documentation, no more clicking through dashboards. That's how I launched Kubbo 5 months ago, and already 1,000 rating on the Play Store. Appearance Kit handles everything that's not unique to your app, but also provides you the best practices that actually makes money on my own apps. And now, on widgets with background sync built from a simple JSON for both iOS and Android. And because I want you to be productive, I share my AI rules for Cursor and Claude. So they actually understand your code base and write better code. Built on architecture I kept refining over the years. The same one that actually helped dozens of apps scale. I did this to ship my own apps faster. Now it's yours. Stop rebuilding, start shipping.